All right, prime time. My personal favorite. This is the we're going to call this a raffle to find the winner of our break number 14, which is a 1941 graded play ball card. So we're going to check the time July 3rd at 8:04 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have July 3rd at 8:04 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entrants. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tony. Spot 6 is our winner. So, Tony, whatever we have in the box for break 14, the play ball card is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 3rd at 8:05 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.